How goes it, everyone? I'm going to do a little, hopefully, figuring out today. This was the plug-in for the harness that goes to the rear taillights, and since I unplugged it, the correlating fuse in here for running lights and rear lights, which I have this 30 in right now. Before unplugging that harness, it would get extremely hot. Once I unplugged the harness, it doesn't get hot anymore, so I'm hoping, since I cut the wires, it was just one of those wires that was bad, or it might be this plug-in, which I'm about to test that now, because this was the wire, this black wire was the one getting hot. If this wire gets hot again, then more than likely I needed just a new plug-in. It's pretty bad, as you can see. It's old, but let's see what happens when I plug that back in. Because if it works, then I'm just going to rewire it and go from there. Well, let's see if that black wire gets hot again. So, fuse isn't hot. That's not hot. I wonder if it was this end. I wonder if this plug right here was causing it some issue. I don't know. Because when I unplugged it from the harness out back, this was still getting hot. Well, I guess I'm gonna run to O'Reilly's and get some wire and see if something will happen. Alright, just did a run to O'Reilly's. I'm gonna remake this wiring harness with length of wire. I already got a blue one here to the length I need. I gave myself a little bit of extra. I'm just going to run out the other 3 cables I need right now. Will be relatively similar length now. The blue wire is going to be replacing this light green, since I didn't have light green wire. Yes, maybe I should test it. Plug it in, see if this wire gets hot, and then run these down the truck. Give this some power. See if it gets hot. So far so good, it's not getting warm. Before it was like instant. Doesn't feel warm. None of them do. Gotta reconnect this. But I'm gonna snake it through this first and then run it back. Oh, that's hot. Start taking this thing down, I guess. Into the back. Successfully got it back to here. So I just gotta redo that, make that plug now. I guess I can do that right back here. Okay, those are all tight. Now, plug this back in. And, see what happens, I guess. That's all I can do now. Ow, buck. Hit my head on parts of the truck. Ow, fucking hell. That hurt. Okay, those are all run. Let's just put this here for right now. Power to it. That hurt my head. Yeah, they're much dimmer now. And now the wire's hot. Fucking A. Oh, fuck. Yep, okay. Well, I guess I didn't even need to rebuild that harness. That sucks. Well, seems like it's actually in whatever's causing the issues in the taillight harness, not this harness. Because now that I unplugged it from the back, it's cold again. So I'm gonna have to tear apart that, but I have to go to work, so I'm gonna try to do that either tomorrow or Wednesday. So thanks for watching.